still got stuff on it. What? What are you putting that little screaming sign in there for? I'm just minding my business today. That's all I'm doing. Just minding my business. Just minding my YouTube business. So hit the like and subscribe. Minding my business. I'm going to have to take that little vent off right there. Man, how did they do this? How did they crack my thing like this? What is y'all laughing at? I just don't get it. How they just break everything. I had to buy a microwave yesterday. This refrigerator not that old. Ugh. It ain't even a year old. Tonight, I'm gonna finally throw away all these wipes I've been using. Okay, so now I just gotta clean these 2 shelves with the barbecue sauce off. And I'll be done cleaning that. But this shelf right here, what did I do wrong? Why is this shelf like this? The other one don't do that. But this one, what did I do wrong? Why is that shelf like that? I messed something up. And now the shelf is like